Hey guys, welcome to another cash stuffing video. So my name is Jeanette, and the reason why I cash stuff and use zero-based budgeting is to save for 6 months of expenses. So in today's video is my favorite video. Every Friday is going to be savings challenges, and we have a couple that we are going to be stuffing today. But before I get into my savings challenges, I have to do, I was going to do a separate video for my 6 months of expenses and debt, but I figure I'll just put it in this video because I did miss a video on Tuesday. So we're going to cash stuff that really quickly, and then we're going to get into the savings challenges. So let me do that first. I do have my budget planner here. Okay. So for debt and 6 months of expenses. Okay, so I'm going to put this over here. Okay, let's just get into the 6 months of expenses. Okay, so we're going to start with mortgage. And mortgage is going to only get $5. And in today's video, as far as savings challenges, I want to finish my roll the dice challenge. So we're going to finish that today. So mortgage is only going to get $5. You know what? Let me move these ones back here and put the fives in the front. Okay, so now we have a total of 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So there's a total of $25 in mortgage. And I still haven't filled out my budget sheets, but I'm super. Okay, emergency is gonna get $5. I'm not putting that much into my 6 months of expenses. So now we have 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So emergency has $25. Okay, savings is only going to get $5 this week. So we have 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. I still have to get more stuff for Christmas. I'm like so late this year. I did everything last minute. I did buy some stuff in October, but everything's just last minute. I don't know about you guys, but it really doesn't feel like Christmas like that. Like, I don't know what's going on, but I did talk to a lot of parents in the school, and they're saying the same thing. Like, it just doesn't feel like Christmas. I don't know why, but, and we do live in Florida, so we used to live in New York. I lived in New York for 30 years, and then we moved to Florida. So things do feel different. I've been here 10 years, and Christmas honestly has never been the same without like it being cold and stuff like that. So I feel like a change of season does help out when the holidays do come around. But this year is something about this year, and I don't know about how you guys feel, but this year just feels really, really weird on Christmas. But I still have a lot of last minute Christmas shopping to do, and we only have a week left. So Home Depot, I put in 10. It has a total of $30, and I will be taking this out to put towards my bill. Klarna is getting $10. I don't know, Christmas just feels really weird this year. Comment down below if you feel the same way, because it just feels really weird. I don't know. 10, 20, 30. Me and my 20-year-old were talking about that. Like, Mom, it feels so different. I'm like, I know. I don't know what's going on. So Klarna has 30 now. Chase is going to get 10. So now it has a total of 10, 20, 30. And I did put the money from yesterday from Holiday into my credit card. And honestly, I really just can keep on stacking this if I wanted to. So yeah, okay, so that's going to be it for 6 months of expenses and our debt. Now let's jump into my favorite part, which is going to be savings challenges. Okay, oh, and I wanted to show you guys this again. It's a teller slip when you go to the bank, and it goes in the binder because it has the 6 holes. So it's it has a built-in envelope, so when you give it to the teller, they can just put the money in. So that's super convenient, and that's available in my shop at Jeanette'sJourney7.com. Okay, first challenge we're going to do is going to be our Wealthy Girl Challenge, which is this one right here. And this is going to get a total of $5 this week. We're doing the money in the bag one, the first challenge in here. So this is going to get a total of $5. And we already have 10 in there. So we're going to add 5 to this. Let me just take this out. I can't wait for the end of the year, though, to see how all this money just stacks up slowly. Even if you're saving $5 in each envelope, it all stacks up at the end. So you can do a lot of cash stuffing, or you could do little by little. I feel like I do little by little because, you know, there's bills and everything to pay. So Wealthy Girl Savings Challenge, this is available in my shop as well if you guys are interested in that. Now let's do our Scratch and Save Monthly Savings Challenge. So it's going to be this one right here. And I did change the cover for it. It used to say Monthly Savings Challenge, but I add the Scratch and Save. And it is a little bigger. So we are going to... Which one should I do? So let's do this one right here. See how much this is. Okay, I'll clean that later. It just bothers me when it gets on the table, but we're going to stuff $15 in here. Okay, so there goes our Scratch and Save monthly, and it's for the month of January. So we got like a month ahead. Okay, now for this savings challenge book, my main focus is going to be the Roll the Dice challenge. I'm going to try to complete this today. I took out $14 for it because we have a total of $14 that's needed in it. So we're going to get into that in a few. Where's my dice? Okay, I need to find my dice. All right, so let's do birthday first. And then I'll find my dice. Okay, so let's do birthday. So birthday is going to get a total of $5. And that is in pink. So we're going to color one of the presents. And this is part of the Girl Boss Savings Challenge. So let's add 5 to this. I'm not going to count all the money today, because that Roll the Dice challenge, we're probably going to be rolling for a while. Okay. And I did paint my nails red, like I did my nails today. I do them myself. I don't know if I'm really feeling this red like that. Okay, Roll the Dice we'll save for last. I don't know, red is a little too loud for me. Like, I've never done red, but I was trying something new, and I honestly don't like it. But at least they got done. It was a lot of work to get done because my toddler kept on touching the lamp. But I got them done. So I'm glad I got them done because my nails were looking horrible. Horrible, horrible, horrible. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. we're going to put into our Christmas savings challenge. Okay. I have a new challenge in here I'm super excited about. The She's in Her Era scratch off. And we're going to do that today too. Okay. So we did Christmas. This is a new challenge right here. There's a scratch off. Okay. So let's start with the first one. Yeah, let's start with the first one and see what we got. I should have took out, no, okay. I was going to take out the $14 to see how much I'm going to put in my Dahlia savings challenges. I'll do that in a few. Okay, so She's in Her Era, $5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So pretty. This is so pretty. I really love the way it came out. There's a lot of She's in Her Era. I just feel like 2025 is like all about her. I don't know. That's how I'm feeling about 2025. Okay, so there goes that. $5. Okay, let's take out $14 for roll the dice, and then I'll do my dollar diamond and my dollar ice cream. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So let's take out 14. So we're left with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. $11. Let me just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay. So we have a total of $11. Let's do 6 in here. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's do 6 in the diamond. And then we'll do 5 in the ice cream. Okay. So let me put this way. And let me just cross out 6 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I think for like this big diamond in the middle, it's just telling us like what each of them are worth. I think this one, I'm gonna stuff $5 for that. I'm just put a 5 here. I think I'm gonna use that big diamond to stuff $5. I think that'll make it more interesting. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yep. Okay, so there goes that. And my main focus is that roll the dice. And then I'm gonna, in the next video, like next savings challenge video, when we complete the roll the dice, I'll show you guys where I'm gonna put that money. Okay, so ice cream is going to get $5. So let's cross out 5 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That was 5, right? We have 4 already. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep. Okay. Now I gotta find my dice. And then we can roll this. Oh, here it goes. Okay. So now, last but not least, is going to be our roll the dice. And I'm gonna just move the binder. We're gonna have this out because we're gonna complete this challenge. So we're gonna keep on rolling until we get these numbers. Okay, so 2. Okay, we have 2. If we get another 2, I'm coloring in the 4. That's 3. Sorry, guys. We're going to be here forever because I want to complete this challenge. 6. Okay, we got 6. So there we go. And if I get another 1, that's counting as 4 because we rolled a 2 and we rolled a 1. So let's see. Or if I get... Okay, we're going to keep on adding up. Let's see. 5, 6, 7, 8. Perfect. Look, we rolled a... What did we roll first? A 2, a 1, and now a 5. So that completes $8 right there. Wow, that was quick. Or should I keep... No, let's just keep it like that. We completed. We did our thing. So there goes the 4. And there goes the other 4. I'm super excited to count this. It should be $105. I get so excited when I finish savings challenges. It's like accomplishing a goal in a way. And my favorite thing to do is savings challenges out of cash stuffing, period. I mean, I love saving money other ways, but it's something about savings challenges that I don't know. I just really love savings challenges. Okay, so this is complete. So let's count. We have 20, 40, 60, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. $105 completed for our roll the dice challenge. Now, I feel like I want to do this challenge again. Matter of fact, leave a comment below if you guys want me to continue the roll the dice challenge, or we can start doing our reach for the stars challenge. So which one? Roll the dice or reach for the stars? I don't know. I'm leaning towards roll the dice because I feel like you save more. But maybe let's just do something new. I don't know. Leave a comment below and let me know what should I do. Should I continue roll the dice or should I do my reach for the stars? But I'm just super excited that this is complete. I'm like so excited. The main one that I want to complete is my 100 envelope. When I complete my 100 envelope challenge, I can't wait to do that video. I really can't wait to do that video and just unstuff that whole binder. Ooh, that's going to be so much fun. So complete next Friday. I'll tell you guys where I put this money and where I'm going to put this money at. Or a matter of fact, let's do it for Tuesday's video. I'll tell you guys where I'm putting this money at, because it's going to go in one of those binders, either 6 months of expenses or our sinking funds. So on Tuesday or Wednesday, because I know Tuesdays is usually my variable expenses, which is my wallet. So most likely Wednesday. If not, I'll bring it to you guys next Friday. But super excited. We finished our challenge, and I feel like this dollar challenge we're almost done with too. Yep, we're almost done with our diamonds. And then we're going to do our $5 diamond. I did do this before, like 2 of them. So there's $10 in there. And then this one's almost done too. So, yep, that is all I have for you guys today. Hopefully this was helpful for you guys. Let me know what kind of savings challenges you guys are doing. And if you want me to include anything in the shop as far as like an idea you guys have on a savings challenge, please let me know in the comments below. Thank you again, guys, for supporting my channel. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.